Created representation of destruction of trees and its effect on living beings. I am a land of desert with all earth and air. The night is bare with no clouds, the moon doesn't raise its beam and no stars twinkle. The sun came here and heated land profusely. The long time back some inhabitants did live here, walking or asleep as though of death must deem. The things born here lived not to shed a tear. In that land of scorching sun, a man named Daya, fired with vision to reform the deserted land, planted a sapling. He hoped to get shade in the deserted land. He used to take care of it and sprinkle water on it, his mind filled with satisfaction and hope. Now he was very much happy and excited. Day after day the sun came to peep in the land to see Daya toiling hard every day. It had become his dream and duty to look after this plant. Day by day, with the untiring efforts of Daya Ram in the golden lightning in the sunken sun, the tree spread its green leaves by warm winds. It deflowered and blossomed, with scents attracting birds and nearby creatures with sweetness, as if a summer dream coming true to sit in the shade. The branches of trees spread to the zenith heights. How beautiful and lovely the land appeared. The birds spread their wings like a fan and danced and danced. But this happiness could not exist too long, as a strong and sturdy man of the village swept the dream of Daya Ram for his selfish motive. Driven by greed and arrogance, he cut down the tree, in other words, destroyed the dreams and emotions that Daya Ram had built. After so much efforts, he was absolute monarch, too selfishly demanded his own way. Daya Ram stood helpless and in pitiable condition. The happy land was once again changed into barren land. The birds and creatures deserted the place. Now there are no chirpings and no bustle or hustle. I stand here as a witness and remember the bygone days. I wonder why this submission? Why not revolt and infer punishment and banish the culprit? Who is the one to stand for my rights? Who is the beginner of this revolution? You.
Why cut trees when the loss you inflict is much more than the gains you accrue? The man who raised the tree found shade for himself and a place of living for the birds and the animals, whereas the man who cut down the tree completely destroyed within the moment at the nice thing the tree gave up to them. Think what you want to be, a nurturer of tree or its killer.